Have you ever wondered if buying small cacti is a better option than investing in a larger, more mature ones? Well, let's explore some compelling reason why purchasing a small cactus can be a fantastic choice for both your wallet and your garden. Hi guys, welcome to the Plant Prince PH channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss while I unbox this package. Recently, I bought two Lophophora fricii. They are around 1 inch in size. If you're curious why I prefer small specimen, then it is due to these reasons. First, cost effectiveness. One of the most significant advantages of buying small cacti is that they tend to be more affordable compared to larger ones. If you're working within a budget or want to expand your plant collection without breaking the bank, starting with smaller cacti is a smart move. Buying smaller one can allow you to acquire more cacti for the same amount of money, and instead of buying one, you can buy a pair, which you can breed eventually to produce seeds and grow more cacti. Another thing is when you are planning to collect a new unfamiliar genus, it is better to buy a small specimen. This will ensure you that you don't waste a lot of money if you accidentally kill it, since you are still figuring out how to take care of that genus. Second is adaptability. Everyone has their own microclimate. Even those living in the same town have different microclimates. Smaller cacti have an edge when it comes to adapting to new environments. With their smaller root system and body, they can acclimate more easily to different soil conditions and microclimate, making it simpler for them to establish themselves in their new homes. This adaptability increases their chances of thriving in your garden. Third, growth potential. While larger cacti may provide instant gratification, there's something truly special about seeing your cacti transform or mature beautifully in your care. Some mutation or traits of cacti appear only when they are mature. Thus, there are times that a cacti may look different or simple when they are juvenile, and eventually, as they grow, their true forms appear. If you have a keen eye, you might get a potentially expensive cactus hybrid or form for a cheaper price. Fourth, ease of handling. Smaller cacti can be easily transported, handled, and planted compared to larger, more mature specimens. They require less physical effort and require a smaller box to ship, which means lower shipping fee. This advantage is particularly valuable if you are far away from nurseries. Fifth, pest and disease control. Smaller cacti often have fewer issues with pests and disease compared to larger, more mature cacti. By starting with a smaller cacti, you can proactively monitor and address any potential issues before they become significant problems. In addition, since they are small, it will be easy to check if the cacti have pests. This reduces the likelihood of major infestations or diseases spreading in your collection. 6. Aesthetic preference. Buying smaller cacti allows you to grow them according to your preferences. You can guide their growth and choose whatever you like. If you want them to grow hard or if you're after aesthetics, it is up to you. There are also times that larger, more mature specimen can have damaged spines or visible scar due to transportation and display in the nursery. And lastly, learning experience and personal satisfaction. There is nothing more rewarding than seeing your beloved cacti grow. Growing cacti from smaller size allow you to witness the cacti's growth journey from its early stages. This hands-on experience can deepen your understanding of the cacti's life cycle, its specific needs, and how it responds to different care practices. For me, this learning process and the satisfaction of nurturing a cacti starting from its early stages can be immensely rewarding and fulfilling. And there you have it, 7 reasons why bigger is not always better. So the next time you're at the nursery or browsing online, consider opting for a smaller specimen and witness their transformation over time. Remember, gardening is a journey and starting small can lead to big rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Happy planting, and I will see you in the next video.